Welcome, guys. As you can see, I'm just waking up. Um, yeah. Basically, there's something I want to tell you guys. I just got into a partnership with 8 and if you guys know 8 you guys know that 8 has been here, right, for a very long time in the game. They own a lot of brokers, and some prop firms that you trade are connected to their brokers. So, they reached out to me, and he gave me an offer. So there's this offer where it's sort of like how you can get instant funds, right? So I'm gonna show you guys on my PC now how the thing is gonna work out, because I'm about to place a trade, and if I can um, if I can get to my target before the time limit, I will be able to cash out a certain amount you get. So let's see. So guys, this right here is what we call the day trader challenge, right? And you discover that this, I want you guys to understand how this challenge works. It's kind of a way to like boost you into a lot of capital. Get like to boost you into having a lot of capital in a very short period of time, right? So how it works is so the fastest way on the market to get funds. So what happens is that here you have a time frame where you can trade. So basically, if you can make a certain amount in 1 hour time, 2 hour time, 3 hour time, and 4 hour time, 8 hour time, you can go for that. Well, you need to choose according to your trading style and how you know you can beat the challenge you get. So what I'm going to do here is, for me, where I want to choose it is I want to go for the 8 hours, because I know my trading style and my strategy, the way it works. So yes, I need a lot of time, so 8 hours is okay for me. And your stake, so you can choose where you're staking from $5 to this. So this is a editable type of challenge. You can edit it to your taste, to the way your trading style is. That's the fun about it. So I'm gonna edit this to like 500. Why not? Because it's going to increase the amount I'm going to be getting anyway. So how you are going to multiply your payouts? You can x 2x your payout, 5x your payout, 10x your payout, depending on. It also depends on these hour times you get. So you understand what I'm saying in a short while. So initially I wanted to go for the 5x. If you go for the 10x, you discover that they'll show your earns. See your earning here, this place. Your earning is about 5,000 if you go for the 10x, but the only thing is your drawdown is going to be $40 and your target profit is going to be $179. So if you know you can hit this target profit and deal with this drawdown, right, within the 8 hour frame, then you can go for that. So if you actually beat this, you're going to be earning $5,000. And if you go to the 5x, you discover it has reduced to $2,500, right? And the drawdown is going to be $47, and the target profit is going to be 133, which looks more easier to beat than the 170 something you get. So also, if you change the hours, you discover that there are little changes here. So see that as I changed the hour to 4 hour, it changed to the drawdown went to 36 and the target profit went to 102, and the earning is still the same because I chose the 5x. So for these two, change to the 2 hour, you discover that okay, the target profit reduces and the drawdown too also reduces. But for me, I'm gonna stick with the 8 hours, right? Put my stake at the highest, right? And I'm gonna put my stake in the middle here for the 5x, right? Because I feel like 2005 is okay for me. And it's not just that, I feel like for me and my strategy, it is more realistic for me to hit the $133 than to hit the 179. You understand? So if you know your strategy can take you to this 179 in no time, do it. Okay, just do it. It's going to change your life. You're going to earn $5,000 if you do that. And if you know that this is what suits you, fine. And if you know this is what suits you, the 2x is just going to give you $1,000, or you say that the target profit too is reduced and the drawdown is increased, get, so that you have enough drawdown to be able to meddle around with. Get, for some of you that your strategy takes a lot of takes losses before you get wins, you can go for this one because you have a lot of drawdown to play with. So yeah,
but this one looks very suitable for me. I'm taking the challenge very soon. I'm looking at the trade, but the thing is, I would advise, because once you start this, once you click on go and once you start claim the challenge, right, your time starts immediately. So if you chose 8 hours, your 8 hours has already started. You understand? So that's just the thing. So me, basically what I'm gonna do is I'm looking at the trade right now on gold. Let me look at it again. Let me show you guys. So I'm looking for a sweep on this gold. All right, let me change this rectangle. This is not the rectangle I use for unmitigated blocks. So honestly, I'm waiting for a confirmation. So let me just use my confirmation rectangle. I use all this to be very coordinated when I'm trading. So as you can see, there's this Asian low right here. I'm waiting for price to sweep before it continues to the upside on gold. So I'm waiting for this trade to this place to sweep first, because that's just liquidity. You guys may be wondering, why did I mark here? It's already mitigated or whatever. Come here. So if you come to the 1 hour, you see that okay, this other block is still valid. Right, it's still an other block that can be used, and I want this to be swept, even if it doesn't touch it. Right, I'm just gonna wait for my entry confirmation after this gets swept. So let me just put an alarm there right now. Set an alarm there, and just wait for that to be done. I'm only looking for a trade on gold right now. I truly believe that gold is going to still buy, though we've been in this consolidation for a while now. Been in this consolidation for a while, but very soon it's going to break out one way or the other. So I'm looking to take a buy from here to this upside, and probably this will be my first target. Then above this will be my second target. We're looking to see what we can do. Price is still, I don't know, it's consolidating right now, so there's no like fixed point for where price is going to, which is very tricky. But when you go to the lower time frame, you can be able to catch some nice little setups. Now this trade is reversing. I don't know. Honestly, I would just like to see a sweep first before I even consider taking this trade. Yeah, I like to see a sweep. I want to take an A+ setup, because I only on that challenge I have only 8 hours to make, I think, about $133. So if I make $133, I'm going to be making $2,500. So that's going to be life changing if I pull that off. So yeah, guys. So let's just see how things pan out, and I'll update you guys.
You guys, you remember that challenge I told you guys on 8 cap? So I just took the challenge, right? And yeah, I was risking everything that the challenge was giving me. And on this trade, let me show you guys this trade right here. And as you can see, just sniped my SL here. Now it's moving into profit. I'll update you guys how the thing went, though I've blown the account already. Let me show you. Yep, ended. The account is blown. Yeah, normally I was supposed to get a payout if I was able to reach 170. My TP was about 180, around there. So this thing just sniped my SL, and yeah, I think it's going to go to the upside now. I've come to realize that when it comes to being unlucky, yeah, I don't know, I'm like, bro, I'm like one of the final bosses of being unlucky. Like, I can almost smell it. You understand? I can almost smell sometimes that when it comes to being unlucky, I'm like the final boss. But yeah, that's basically how the thing goes. That challenge was actually $10. It's not something that is really expensive, you get. So with $10, you could just try to place a very good setup, and if you hit the target, you'll be withdrawing $100. So that's like a very good flip if you think about it. So instead of just putting that $10 and like spamming and over leveraging the account, you can just use it to get a better leverage account. And also you'll be able to risk the right percentage you want to risk, so that you can get to where you can get to the percentage target. You get the percentage target is not something that is too hard. On this trade, it was a 1 to 4 safe. It's not something that is too hard or crazy, but it's just that the thing sniped my SL. You know, who prepares for a sniped SL? Nobody gets. So sniped my SL, most likely going to go and hit TP now. So yeah, that's basically what's going on. I would have wanted to, I would have wanted to hit TP, get the payout, and show you guys how the thing actually works. But yeah, that's where that's where my power has carried me to. Yeah, so yeah guys, so you can see my way. I don't know, man, like my analysis was right, everything was right. There's no reason why price should have swept this. It's not even like there's liquidity under it or something, but it swept it like to the T. You see what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how to see, like, exactly the line of the SL, exactly on that line. Yet, don't worry, my fingernails are short. It's just this one. I always keep a fingernail. So, exactly on that line, haunted my stop loss, and probably gonna move to TP the way it's looking like. The analysis is right and everything. This BTC sell too, I kind of predicted this BTC sell right from here, but it's just that I don't know, since when I started trading QT, I've not really been used to trading BTC anymore. So I don't know, the next prop firm I'm gonna get, I'll make sure that they trade BTC, because if you guys remember, and I usually trade BTC, and it was then I used to get like real good risk to reward on BTC. So I'll be looking out for that. So my analysis on Bitcoin, I'm looking that Bitcoin is gonna get down here, and if you ask me why, this is on the daily time frame. I'll move to the daily time frame and I'll show you guys why I think Bitcoin is gonna get down there. So most times when there's a break or structure like this, especially on the higher time frame, right, you see that this is somehow like liquidity for this break or structure that happened here. So Bitcoin is gonna come back to this area. So it's gonna come to somewhere around this area here, right, and buy. So that's what I'm just waiting and expecting. So yeah. So in case you guys are wondering how that trade is going, yep, this is how it's going. I know it's gonna hit TP because I analyzed it well. It's just very unfortunate that it had to hit me out first. So yeah, I need to start trading back. Honestly, I'm already missing trading. I've not traded for a while. This is the first time I'm trading this week. Last week I didn't trade the entire week. So I need to find a way to get myself back in the game. Yeah, I literally don't have an account to trade, so that's basically why. Right, so let's just see what we can do. And also, if I did not use the entire $40 drawdown on that stuff, right, I'm just thinking about it now, that if I had used 25, I could have entered again, because if it was a prop firm and I got stopped out like this, I would have entered again and I would have been in profit, right? So normally the aim I was looking for here is still way more higher. This is where price is going to, which is like a total of 128. But because that was where the challenge, if I hit this place, this is where the challenge is going to pass, and I'll get a withdrawal of $100. So that's why I put it here. If it's my initial trade, it's going to be something like this. So yeah, it's going to be something like this. So that's basically how the trade is supposed to look like. But right now, I'm not in the trade on any account, so there's no need. But it's a good trade, it's a very good setup. Yeah, so I don't know, guys, I'm not really feeling anything right now. I'm just numb, so I don't know. Let's just see. I need to start trading back, honestly. I don't know, there's this kind of obsession with trading. as a trader, you just can't do without trading. Like after a long time of not trading, it's almost like there's a life source that is taken from you. You get, so it's kind of affecting me now. So I need to look for a way to get an account or something to start trading one way or the other. It's not even about the money, it's just about like being consistent in the market, being updated in the market. Like last week I didn't open the chart at all. I didn't know if gold was buying or selling. You get. Yo guys, I just played a serious IQ game right now. Let me show you guys what I just did. So one thing happened, right? When I bought my 50k account, I used this code, this 50% code, right? They were supposed to give me a free account. These two things they were supposed to give me because I used this code. So unfortunately they didn't give me. I didn't bother because I already had a live account, right? Then after they breached this account, somebody just told me come back and tell them that they didn't give you your account. So I told them that you guys didn't give me my account, so I need my account. Guess what? They gave me another 50k. We're back. We're so back, guys. They gave me another 50k. This is a new 50k. I need to pass phase 1, phase 2. Whoa, bro. Whoa. We're so back, guys. God is good. So, guys, I'm gonna use my head here and trade this account as careful as I can. Yeah. Try to pass this and milk them, bro, for all the pain they've cost us. Yeah, guys. Yo guys, just came back from the gym. So yeah, bro, just play that crazy IQ game on QT, man. Initially, as you guys would know, like they're supposed to give me that account, and I just clocked it that, yo, wait, I used that offer to buy this account. Like, let me just use that. Let me go and tell them, because they didn't give me my account and they gave me another account. So I'll be very careful with this account. Try my best not to do the news wherever. Try my best to just stay on the rules, right? Any payout we get, guys, we're going to use to get another profit. Any payouts we get, we're going to use to get another profit. So my aim now is to just pass this one, the phase 1 and the phase 2. I hope it's not long. I hope it's like the other one. The last one, we passed the phase 1 and phase 2 in like a week. You get? So I hope it's something like that will happen here too. You get? So yeah, nothing really crazy. I'm so tired. Just came from the gym, man. I'm tired. But anyhow, I'll be ending the video here. So you guys should, like, subscribe. Use my link in the description, the 8 gap link, for the stuff I told you guys about. You guys can use that to like cash out like real time. You get, if you know that you have a good setup and you can stake a certain amount, $10 to get like $100 and $20 to like get like $200, I guess. You get, just check it out and you see that, okay, instead of depositing that $10 or depositing that $20 and full potting it in such a way that when price move a bit, that is not going to your direction a bit, you blow the account. This one is an alternative. It's a better alternative for you to use. You get? So yeah, just try it out. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let me
be done with this video, and we'll start our series again of trying to pass the account. Honestly, I'm tired of starting again every single time, but it's part of the process. I know that one day we're gonna escape and reach the escape velocity in which nothing will be able to pull us back again, you get, and we'll have enough capital, more than enough capital, to be able to stand independently while trading, you get, to be a full-time trader. That's what I mean. So yeah guys, catch you guys in the next one. Also follow my Instagram. A lot of you watch my Instagram video but you don't follow even these videos. A lot of you watch these videos and you guys don't even hit the subscribe button, guys. Like, come on man, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.